Once upon a time in a small village in India, there lived a boy named Sam. He was 15 years old and had a secret: he had never spoken a full sentence in English. Every day, he walked to school quietly, listening to others speak. When teachers asked him questions, he simply smiled or looked down. His classmates laughed at him. "You don't know English? How will you ever become successful?" they mocked. But Sam had a dream. He wanted to become a pilot and travel the world. He knew that without English, his dream would remain a dream. Part 2: The Turning Point. One evening, Sam sat by the river and cried. An old man, Mr. Rahman, saw him and asked gently, "Why are you crying, boy?" Sam replied, "I want to learn English, but I can't. I'm scared." Mr. Rahman smiled. "Do you know, I was just like you? I couldn't speak English until I was 20. But I practiced a little every day." Sam's eyes lit up. "Can you teach me?" And so, every day after school, Sam went to Mr. Rahman's house. They read books, practiced small conversations, and watched English cartoons. Part 3: Small Steps, Big Changes. At first, Sam struggled. He couldn't remember words. His tongue twisted when he said th and v. But Mr. Rahman always said, mistakes are part of learning. Sam started keeping a diary. Each day, he wrote one sentence. I woke up early. I ate rice for lunch. I want to speak English. Soon, one sentence became 2. Then 5. Then full pages. He practiced greetings in the mirror. Hello, how are you? Nice to meet you. Can you help me, please? His confidence grew. Part 4: The Test of Courage. One day, the school announced a speech competition. The topic was, My Dream. Sam's heart beat fast. He had never spoken English in front of others. But Mr. Rahman said, this is your moment. Even if you forget everything, just smile and speak from your heart. Sam stood on the stage. His hands shook. But he looked at the crowd, took a deep breath, and said, Good morning. My name is Sam. I want to become a pilot. The audience was silent. Then he continued, slowly but clearly. I could not speak English before. But now, I try every day. English is not easy. But I am not afraid anymore. Everyone clapped. Some teachers even had tears in their eyes. Part 5: The Journey Continues. From that day, Sam changed. He started helping other students learn English. He made small YouTube videos, teaching basic English phrases like, What is your name? Where do you live? How much is this? His videos went viral. Years later, Sam became a pilot. When he flew to different countries, he spoke in English with passengers, crew members, and airport staff. One day, he returned to his village in uniform. Children ran to him. Sam Bia. Teach us English. He smiled. Of course. Let's begin with this. I can do it. You can too. So I am tell you. English is not about being perfect. It's about trying every day, making mistakes.